So repairs on the heating system, you want to be listening to it. If you hear a big bang when it first starts up, you could have a gas valve that's bleeding through and lighting off early. If you hear growling, like when the fan motor starts up, if it starts making a horrendous growling noise, typically the bearings are going out on the fan motor. So that is a number one. If you hear any noise when it's starting up a growling, the bearings are going out on the motor, and you're on limited time, really. It could go out tomorrow, it could go out next week. Also, if you hear the burners come on and they go back off right away, so they come on for 1 second or less than a second and then they go right back out. Let's say they try to come back on. That's typically a dirty flame sensor. So furnaces nowadays, they don't have a standing pilot unless your furnace is 30 years old. So most of the furnaces have a hot surface igniter or a spark igniter. So if the burners come on and they shut right back off and they come on, then you've got more than likely a dirty flame sensor, and that needs to be cleaned. So that would be a sign of you need service also. If you have a high efficiency furnace that brings in air from the outdoors for combustion, especially with the snow and the ice, those pipes outside, you need to check those pipes outside to make sure there's no snow blocking the intake or blocking the exhaust. That will shut your furnace off also. So check those outside pipes on high efficiency furnaces. If you feel cold air blowing out, that's a big sign also that you need to have your furnace looked at. The procedure of operation, there's an exhaust fan that closes a pressure switch. Once the pressure switch closes, then the igniter comes on and ignites the burners, and then the fan comes on. So if your fan has already come on and you don't see the burners running, you definitely have a problem. There's something that blower, the fan should not be coming on without the burners unless you have a problem with your furnace.